Alexei Alexeievich Harlamov, also Alexei Harlamoff, Alexei Kharlamoff, or Alexej Charlamoff. He was born 1840, died 1925, was a Russian painter, who usually signed his name in the Latin alphabet as Harlamoff. He became a guest student at the Imperial Academy of Arts in Saint Petersburg in 1854. 3 years later he was awarded a second-class silver medal for a drawing. In 1862 Harlamoff was awarded a second-class silver medal for a sketch, and he enrolled with the historical painter Alexey Tarasovich Markov. In 1863 he was awarded 2 first-class silver medals, for a drawing and for a sketch.